जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं, एक पार्सल रिसीव हुआ है अमेजोन से और उसके साथ साथ आप लोग के लिए भी सरप्राइज है क्योंकि आप लोग को भी पता नहीं ये है क्या चीज। सो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज देखते हैं इस पार्सल में है क्या चीज और ये किसके लिए आया है। उसको हम सब रितु को एक्चुअली पता नहीं है, ऑर्डर करना होगा ये पता है, लेकिन ऑर्डर कर दिए हैं ये पता नहीं है। तो इसको चलिए सरप्राइज देते हैं मिलके। रितु,
Which order is it?
एक ड्रेस है, पापा बोले थे ना पार्टी में जाना होगा।
Dress? Is it a dress really? Coming in a box and all? Amazon then too. Surprising.
खोल।
Let's see what is there in it. A surprise for me. I'm happy for it. मम्मी कुछ लाओ मैं काटने के लिए।
टंटना।
Thank you. Open करियो। It's a nice one. Wow. Nice.
उसका जो चेयर है
Oh
हॉस्टल।
my god, it's the mobile. When did you order it? It's a nice pleasant morning. ऐसा हमें सोना चाहिए morning.
तू तो पढ़ाई नहीं करेगी तेरे को।
So, should I say one thing like कि मेरे लिए बहुत new है क्योंकि to be frank है हम लोग के घर में personal mobile #personal mobile नहीं होता है like just because I'm going to a college in the upcoming months, that's the only reason I'm getting a personal phone. Like you understand, like personal phone. So
तू तो बच्ची है, तुमको क्या चाहिए मोबाइल?
मैं तो पापा की परी हूँ।
नहीं नहीं।
देखते हैं अभी like let's see क्या है। तो देखो अगर मैं आपको हिस्ट्री बताऊँ ना, like if I just say the history, I didn't have a phone of my own from my childhood, but I got devices. How like I used to get off my sisters, my fathers, my mothers, like something like चलता था हम लोग का। So
वो भी कोरोना पीरियड से।
हाँ
उससे पहले नहीं।
Actually जब क्या बोलते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हुआ ना, like from that it started. Like let us see. And if I just show you my past device, no, it just broke in the worst way ever because the display is literally gone.
ये भी किसका था? दीदी का था।
ये दीदी का था जब वो मतलब पढ़ती थी तब। So around 2016 or 17 I guess I can say. तो चलता है but now luckily
दीदी जब आकाश में गई थी उस टाइम में टैब उसको चाहिए था, तब उस टाइम में लैपटॉप ही नहीं था।
लैपटॉप भी नहीं था, like laptop came very recently I can say in the
2 years before
2022 or 23 I guess।
तू जब 10th में या 9th में थी तब?
10th में थी, like I was my 10th and I got this laptop on my birthday and it was really very fascinating and ये मेरा नहीं था, ये पापा का था, मैं यूज कर रही हूँ। वो ओवर एक्साइटेशन नहीं था मेरे पास कि मेरा होने वाला है। लकीली इसमें मेरा फिंगरप्रिंट रहता है बट स्टिल आई एम हैप्पी। तो देखते हैं like let us come to the main content and I will just show you the mobile which I got so along with the mobile मेरे पेरेंट्स ने इसके लिए फोन कवर भी ऑब्वियसली ऑर्डर कर चुका है और सैमसंग का ओरिजिनल ब्लैक वाला अडेप्टर ऑन किया है, वो खरीदा गया है। सो देखते हैं कि मोबाइल में कौन सा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए लाया गया है एंड कौन सा मॉडल है। So the mobile which we have bought just now, like luckily which I have got now, is nothing other than Samsung Galaxy A15, that is a 5G. Then the original price of this mobile is 19,999 rupees. And we have got this mobile in Amazon in around I guess 14,000 I guess. So इसका जो configuration से हम लोग ने खरीदा है 6GB RAM वाला। इसका स्टोरेज है अराउंड 128GB एंड इसका रैम है 6GB का। हम लोग ने जो कलर लिया है that is blue and black, that is blue is black. So let's open it and see. And moreover, along with that mobile, we have also got the original Samsung adapter, which is of around I can say the price. Wait a second.
1699.
1699. That is 1,699 rupees. And we have bought the black version of the Samsung adapter, which already I can say it comes generally in the white, but we have bought the black one because it looks more like posh.
और ये भी तो है,
Oh,
कवर भी है।
I'm so sorry, but I forgot. It was around 200 rupees, or I guess exactly of 199 rupees.
लेकिन ये सब लाए बोल के थोड़ा सस्ता मिला।
Yeah. We just bought all the three in a set, and the total amount which we paid was around
15,200 समथिंग,
15,200.
300, हाँ,
Okay.
15,300
अच्छा, दिखते हैं
ऑल टोटल।
मोबाइल खोल के दिखते हैं,
ओके।
इसका कितना चेकिंग क्या है देखते हैं।
इसका प्राइस तो दिखा पीछे, राइट, देखिए 19,900, मतलब कि 19,999 रुपीज। रैम है 6 GB और स्टोरेज है 128 GB। ओके, ओपन इट।
And moreover, the seal is not opened yet, and from both the sides the seal has been sealed properly. So let's open it now. Also, it is already mentioned that do not accept if seal is broken. Caution sealed package. Ta-da! And here we go. This is how our mobile looks like, and it has come with a protection of I guess a paper cover. Fine, I'm opening the seal right now. It looks really very classy. Wow, I can say it's a real wow. I cannot show you the proper finishing how it looks like. It has a very glassy figure, and it shines in the very best way. It has a triple camera which is of 50 megapixel, and it has a triple camera, and the first one is of 50 megapixel, the second one is of I guess 5 megapixel, and the third one is of 2 megapixel triple camera, and the front camera is of 13 megapixel. So here we get the pin, the universal pin which comes along with all smartphones these days. And here we go with the cable and the guarantee cards which we get. Guarantee or warranty, I can say, I don't know properly. Yes, here we go. Here is the guide, I can say, like lock guide and all. Here is the booklet which is given by Samsung. And here we go with the cable. Nowadays the cable comes along with the mobile, but the adapter doesn't come along with the mobile, so we need to buy our own adapters nowadays. And we have bought, as I told you already, we have bought the Samsung adapter which is of 25 watt power adapter. Fine. Just taking all this aside, let me just show you the mobile properly right now, and I'll be just turning it on. Right? We are just giving it a long press so that it starts. So here we go. Wow, it's really good. So now we need to just fill our details and all. It's asked in the starting, and then I'll be showing with the surface and all. Fine. So now by the time it just starts rebooting and all, I'll just show you the adapter which we have bought. It comes along with the seal and all. As you already know, Samsung gives a very nice sealing and all. So we need to assure the security and all. Just I'll be opening the seal and all. We have come along with our adapter.
ओरिजिनल सैमसंग का लिखा होगा तो।
So now let us open the cover which we have bought of the same mobile, that is A15 Samsung Galaxy 5G. Fine.
अच्छा, ट्रांसपेरेंट है, उतना अच्छा नहीं है, उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा.
So now let us just charge the mobile and just see all the things which we will be getting through this mobile. Fine. ये है adapter, ये है cable, phone cover and our phone.